You're pre-approved for $2,000. No credit check. Now, in today's video, we're going to be covering credit builder loans as well as quick loans. Now, DCU, Digital Credit Union, has a credit builder loan specifically designed to help you build or rebuild your credit history. And you can get up to a $3,000 installment loan reporting on your credit, flexible terms from 12 to 24 months. Now, one thing I want to clarify, because I did see some comments that people were saying that they were applying for DCU and getting hard pulled. The quick loan, there's no hard inquiry. And you have to be a member for at least 90 days to get the quick loan. So for those who don't know what the quick loan is essentially a no credit check loan. Now, the difference between the quick loan and the credit builder loan is that with the quick loan, you actually get the proceeds. Now, as it says right here, no hidden fees or credit checks. So in order to get the quick loan, you have to be a member for 90 days. So if you're applying for credit products with DCU before 90 days, you're going to get a hard inquiry. And I did show you guys in the online portal that you have to be pre-approved if you don't want to get that hard inquiry. Next up on the list, we have Parda Credit Union. Now, Parda Credit Union is geographically restricted, but if you're not eligible for Parda membership through one of the groups listed, you may join through the American Consumer Council at no cost to you. If you join the American Consumer Council, you get a certificate that looks just like this, and it'll have your member number, American Consumer Council, the date that you became a member. So this little certificate right here literally gets you into dozens and dozens of different credit unions. Now, before we go over the credit builder loan, I did want to show you guys that they also have a premier line of credit. Now, the minimum credit score is a 640, and these are revolving lines of credit starting at $5,000. Now, one thing about Parda Credit Union that you have to be aware of is that they do a hard pull on Experian to become a member. That's right. So they will hard pull you to become a member, and they also use check systems. So just keep that in mind. Again, this is not financial advice. So this is the credit builder loan advantage. Loans from $500 to $1,000. As it says right here, no credit check, and it does report to the credit bureaus. Next up on the list, we have Democracy Federal Credit Union. Now, Democracy Federal Credit Union has a cash and go loan. So this is $1,000 with proof of income, but you could get up to $1,500 if you have a direct deposit with at least $138. As it says right here, no credit check. Right here it says 30 days membership. Now, one thing about the quick loans or the cash to go loan, usually you have to be a member for a certain time period. Next up, we're going to be going over Georgetown University Alumni Student Federal Credit Union. Now, this right here is an absolute game changer. Now, some of you might be thinking, hey, I don't go to school here. I never went to school here. How could I be eligible? Now, what I will say is that there is a backdoor way in that anyone could actually join and take advantage of this credit builder program. Now, I'm not going to get into all the specifics because, again, a lot of these credit unions do watch my videos, and this is how the rich stay rich, right? Because they're more or less selling trade lines, right? So the way this works, so you see this matrix right here, they have a basic loan, a $2,000 preferred loan, and a $3,000 loan. So these are credit builder loans, so you don't get the proceeds of it. Now, these dollar amounts that you see right here in these little boxes, this is basically the one-time fee that you have to pay in order to essentially have this trade line reporting on your credit. And so as it says right here, you pay between $30 and $180. We disperse a secured loan. We make the monthly payments for you, and we report the payments to a credit agency. You build your credit score and your history. They're creating the loan, they're reporting it for you, and they're making the payments. So this is pretty much building your credit on autopilot. Next up on the list, we have the Affinity Plus Federal Credit Union Credit Builder Loan. So you can establish a credit history for the first time or rebuild your credit with Affinity Plus Credit Builder Loan. You can borrow between $500 and $1,000. There's a fixed 6% APR, and you could choose from 6, 12, or 18-month terms. Now, one of the ways that you can join is if you make a one-time $25 payment to the Affinity Plus Foundation, and this will get you into Affinity Plus Federal Credit Union. So the Affinity Plus Foundation is, again, just a nonprofit organization, and a lot of credit unions do have their associated nonprofits that allows allows you to gain membership with a small donation. Now, DC Credit Union has a second chance credit builder. So this is for credit union members with a low credit score. They offer a loan to help you raise your credit score over time. We won't deny you because of your low credit score. You must be a member in good standing with a checking account. The second chance credit builder process works like this. They issue you an unsecured loan or credit card with a limit up to $2,500. And then we slowly step up your loan or credit card limit, growing your borrowing capacity along with your credit score. Once your score has gone above a 550, you are a candidate for traditional loans and financing. Summit Credit Union has credit builder loans. So these are loans from $1,000 up to $5,000. They also have a credit builder Visa. So these are credit lines up to $2,000, no annual fee, no minimum finance charge, and no cash advance fee. You also get 25-day grace period on interest from purchases. So borrowers must qualify based on their ability to pay. Payroll deposit required in a minimum of $500 down. So even if you have very bad credit, you can still qualify for a credit builder auto loan. Now, BMO Harris is another financial institution that offers a credit builder loan program. So if you have limited credit or none at all, they can work with you to build it. So they have a program designed to make it easy for you to make on-time payments. It allows you to build your credit history. You can open with as little as $1,000, and then you can cash out when it's over. So this is more like a shared secured credit builder type of loan. So just to recap, credit builder loans as well as quick loans are great ways to not only get access to some capital, even if you have a very low credit score, but also as a way to add some installment loan history on your credit report, because honestly, installment loan history is going to be the best type of account to improve your credit score, because it's showing consistent fixed payments over a steady amount of time. And so that's going to help other lenders look at you when evaluating you for different credit products, higher limits, and see that you have a consistent track record of paying a fixed amount for your credit accounts. As a reminder, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. And until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.